Hey guys, we're out here in an insane snowstorm. You're gonna tell, look at all the snow falling. It's basically a whiteout. I can't see because the snow keeps blowing in my eyes. I don't know what's happening, but it's an insane snowstorm. Oh, the snow just got in my mouth. It's a crazy snowstorm out here, and we're probably gonna have no school tomorrow, snow day possibly. It's gonna be an insane gameplay out here. Oh, it's so windy out here. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, donate to the Patreon. It's an insane snowstorm out here, donate. Oh, and this was another seafood review.